विसव उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. मानसीक भलायकी इबाडिल्ल्या लोकां खातीर वावुरपी सहोदय ह्या चिखलेच्या संस्थेन मानसीक भलायकी दीस मनयलो. त्या निमित्तान संस्थेन वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी घडोवन हाडिल्ल्यो.
कुंच मेंटल हेल्थ फाउंडेशन सहोदय ही संस्था चिखले चलयता. मानसीक भलायकी दिसा निमतान ह्या संस्थेन खासा कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली. मानसीक भलायकी सारकी नाशिल्ल्या लोकांचेर ह्या संस्थेन उपचार करतात. दिवली पेटोवन ह्या कार्यावळीचें उक्तावण जालें. सहोदयांत उपचार घेवपी लोकांनी तयार केल्ल्या वस्तीचें प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडिल्लें. त्या भायर नाटकुलीय जाली. संस्थेची विश्वस्त लक्ष्मी उन्नीन संस्थे विशीं म्हायती दिली.
We make them aware that mental illness is just like any other, like diabetes or heart. So we want to tell the people, if you know anyone who there is somebody who is mentally in their family, help is nearby. We are always there to help them and bring the person back to society. So far we had 19, we can handle 19 students, clients, not students. 4 of them are already back in the mainstream.
चिखलेच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
देशांत बरे बरे फुटबॉलर तयार करपा खातीर ऑस्ट्रेलियाच्या फुटबॉल महासंघाचो प्रशिक्षक नॉर्मन बोर्डमनान बोलादीक मार्गदर्शन केला. गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेच्या आदारान घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या स्पोर्ट्स आउटरीच प्रोग्रामा खाला बोर्डमन गोंयांत आयला. ताची गोंय भोंवडी गोंयच्या फुटबॉलांत युवा शक्त वाडोवपाच्या दिशेन म्हत्वाची थारतली.
The system produces them. I was lucky enough to work with them for 3 months each year and prepare them for the national championships, which is, it's like all the provinces playing here in the Indian Championship. In Australia, New South Wales, people that know New South Wales or Australia will know that New South Wales is the biggest state. We have the most number of players, so it's no small miracle that we produce players over there. Players of the calibre of Harry Cool, Brett Emerton, Luke Wilkshire, who's in our national team now, all came through that system, and I was lucky enough to work with those guys. I was lucky enough to work with some of the guys that are still playing overseas at the moment.
इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग ही संवसारांतली सगळ्यांत फायद्यांत चलपी सर्त मानतात. प्रीमियर लीगांतल्या सर्तींनी खेळपी फुटबॉलरांक फावो ते परस मायज पयशे मेळटात अशी टिका कांय जाण करतात. मात बोर्डमनाच्या मता प्रमाण तांकां तितले फावो.
Television deals, and they're the things that drive the wages now. The ability, television deals, sale of paraphernalia, shirts, shorts, everything that goes with it, and that's what drives the market upwards in terms of players getting money. So really it's an egg and chicken thing where, you know, yesteryear we had none of this. We had no television exposure. Now we've got, and you know, here in your country it's fantastic. You see television, you know, see football on television all the time, and I think that's what drives it upwards. And I think it's great for the game, because if I go back even 15 years in Australia, we weren't seeing, you know, we were seeing mainly English football and a little bit of Champions League and stuff. Now we see football 24/7 if we want it. We see all our National League games every week. So I, for one, I'll say I don't care how much they get, as long as there's plenty of football coming our way.
बोर्डमन मंगळारा पणजे डॉन बॉस्कोच्या सभाघरांत युवा शक्त उदरगतीच्या विशयाचेर उलयतलो. सांजे 5 वरांचेर ताचे व्याख्यान आसतलें. युवा फुटबॉला कडेन संबंध आशिल्ले सगळे, खासा करून प्रशिक्षक, व्यवस्थापक आनी खेळगड्यांनी हे मार्गदर्शना खातीर येवचें अशें गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेन म्हणलां. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट मीडिया.
होश वालों को खबर क्या बेखुदी क्या चीज है असल्या आनी कितल्याशाच गजालींक आपल्या दर्द भऱ्या आवाजान अजरामर करपी गजल सम्राट पद्मभूषण जगजीत सिंग सोमारा संवसाराक अंतरले. ते 70 वर्सांचे आशिल्ले. आयच्या आमच्या ह्या व्हिडिओ वरवीं जगजीत सिंगाक आर्गां ओपीत हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मीडिया. नमस्कार.
मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ गीत मेरे.